historic railroad at Lake Mead over there.
Yep. Brought our dog along. Temperature is 95 Fahrenheit.
95?
That's what it says over there. Okay. And there's the visitor center. And so if you want, you can either walk it, ride your bike, ride your horse. Doesn't matter how you want to do this. Yep. So we usually do this with a bicycle. So but today we're gonna walk it. But to be honest with you, it's quicker with a bicycle. But hiking will just take you longer to get there. So let's go. There's the parking lot where you can park. Today's not that busy.
Yeah, because it's Cinco de Mayo.
Yep. Or you can park at the visitor center. That's the one up there. That's where a lot of people park when this parking space right here, this parking lot is full. But today it's not full. Over there is Lake Mead, and we're going all the way up there. That's where all the old tunnels. So at one time this used to be a train track. Built the dam. So that's where I brought all the supply. Built Hoover Dam. Came from right from here, in this area. So this trail that you see right here, this wasn't here before. So if you look up there, I believe that's where the train track used to be. There where the other road is. Yeah, see this thing that's a white trail? I believe that's where the train track used to lay. So I suggest you take that serious. See that? It kills. And it does get hot. Yes. Today is perfect because it's windy. And the temperature is around 95, I believe. So that's nice. So this is a good time to do it. There's Lake Mead. See all that white stuff there? If you have an RV, you can park your RV out there. And there's also a campsite down there too. So if you want, you can camp down here. It'd be nice because you can come up here at night. I've never been here at night, but I think they closed this. I'm not really sure. But I'm sure it'll be fun. Nice and cool.
Oh, that's the one. Look at that. Amazing.
Oh. That's the train right there. So I'm walking along just one segment of a 30-mile network of railroads built in 1931, specially hauled material to construct Hoover Dam. So this is there. So this is the way it looks now. We're almost at the first tunnel. Okay, right down there's a boat where you can park your boats if you own one. And there's a restaurant down there too. It's pretty good. So if you're down here visiting a historical railroad, visit it. I mean, go over there, try it out. That's a good. The food is pretty good. Okay, you see that truck with a trailer in the back? If you follow that road, there's a pay booth over there. You can pay, or if you have a yearly pass, you can go past that. That will take you inside. But if you're riding your bike, you don't have to pay. What you doing? What you doing? If you go up there, that will take you up there to the parking, to that casino up there. Where there's all the boats that are parked. And let's see if I can show you something here. I'll show you later. It's behind this rock. Behind that rock, there's a restaurant down there. But all that you see right there, those are all loading dock. So if you own a boat, you can park it there. Lake Mead right there. Historical railroad track right here. Those are all the boats that are parked. Oh yeah, see that? See the dock over there? Believe it or not, that whole dock used to be all the way up here, somewhere here. That was back in when I moved in Vegas in the 90s. Okay, see that see these where is it? Oh yeah, see that line right there? When I moved to Vegas back in the 90s, that's how high the water used to be. You couldn't see any line like that. It used to be full water back in the 90s when I moved here. Now the water has really gone down, but there's still water. So let's continue on the historical railroad. Okay, I've been walking about a mile and we're about to hit the first tunnel. Well guys, I'm gonna have to end the video here because my phone is almost dead and I had to give my charger to my wife, and my wife is already back in the car. I was gonna do the whole thing myself, but since my phone is almost dead, there's no need for me to show you the whole trails. So well, anyway, this is the old historical railroad track. This used to be a train track right here. It's not there anymore. So yeah, I want to finish it, but my battery's gonna be dead soon. Okay guys, next time I'll do the whole thing, but for now I can't do it. Sorry.